Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to see a prawn biryani in a clay pot. So come on, let's get into the recipe. So for this, in a wide deep clay pot I'm taking 4 tablespoons of normal cooking oil. To this add 3 cloves and 2 small cinnamon stick. Once it splatters, add 2 large chopped onions. Saute this for 5 to 6 minutes until it is well transparent. So once it changes color, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well until the raw smell goes. Once it's done, add 2 large chopped tomatoes. Saute well until it is soft and mushy. So after 5 to 6 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt for the taste. Saute this for exact 30 seconds, not more or not less. Now to this add 300 grams of deveined prawns. Combine the prawns well with the gravy. So once it's done, add 1 handful of mint leaves, 1 handful of curry leaves and 1 handful of coriander leaves. These are the natural flavor enhancers for the biryani. So mix this well. Now cover and cook this for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, it will be like this. To this, add 2 tablespoons of curd for the sourness. Now here comes the water measurement for the biryani. For 1.5 cups of basmati rice, I am adding 2 cups of water. Check for salt. Now cover and let this boil for 5 minutes. So now you can see it's nicely boiling. So at this stage we can add the washed and soaked basmati rice. Gently mix the rice with the gravy. Don't be too hard, the rice will break. Now cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the rice will exactly look like this, all puffed up. So at this stage, check for salt and sourness of the biryani, because after this you can't add salt. Gently mix, don't be too hard. So cover it with the plate, and above this I am going to cover with an aluminium foil. and let it cook on low flame for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, switch off the flame and leave it for 10 minutes. So now our yummy biryani is ready.